Yo creators, Wags here, ready to transform your email game. Let's talk ConvertKit. It's not just about sending emails, it's about sparking connections. Let's dive in. Check this out. ConvertKit isn't your average email tool. It's your personal engagement engine. Here's my newsletter sign up. Simple, right? But with ConvertKit, it's the start of something special. Now imagine this. Every subscriber gets tagged based on their action. Downloaded a PDF? Tagged. Joined through my social media link? Tagged. And queued for a personalized welcome sequence. No repeats, no spam, just smooth, smart communication. But it gets better. Freebie downloads on my blog post? ConvertKit integrates them seamlessly. It's all about crafting that personalized journey for each subscriber. And look at these visual automations. It's like seeing your email strategy come to life. Sequencing, storytelling, you name it. ConvertKit makes it happen effortlessly. And we're just getting started. We're talking deep customizations, pop-ups for signups, download boxes for freebies. ConvertKit connects the dots, making your life easier. Remember, it's not rocket science, and they've got some amazing videos and templates to help you. It's about meaningful conversations and genuine relationships. And hey, it's tested and proven, so keep it simple yet effective. So there you have it, ConvertKit, turning your email marketing from a routine task into a dynamic conversation starter. Want to see how this tool can revolutionize your strategy? Head over to patrickwagner.com and let's make it happen.